Guys, good afternoon. So ngayon, tawag dito, tapos na yung exam nila Jacob. Nako, at bukas walang pasok dahil Dragon Boat Festival bukas dito sa Taiwan. Ayan. Nanonood siya ng TV. Ayan si Yogan Titin. Jacob, where are you?
Hi.
Yan. He's watching his idol. Here. And guys, yan. Bumili si Habi nitong biscuit.
Manait na.
Ice cream.
Can you open it?
Try daw namin guys itong biscuit guys. Nako. Pikit-pikit ang pikit-pikit sa presyo. Matikman lang to. Paano ba ito buksan? First time to guys. First time. Ayun, how to open it? Wait. Let's how to open it? Nako. Ayun. Yeah. And then, like that. Oh. Guys, this is how yeah. Ooh. Amoy pa lang. Amoy masarap na. Get a spoon, Kob. Nako, guys. Get a small cup. Oh, guys. Hindi namin lagay ni Jacob, guys. Okay. Para din ako magugas.
I lick here.
I told you not to lick it. That's the lid, Ay, sus, Okay, guys. Try natin to, guys.
Is it heavy?
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Ipa pa lang ito. Ang sarap na. Mukha. Okay, Jacob. How many?
2 scoops.
2 scoops.
2 big scoop.
Okay. Naku, guys. Me, only 1 scoop. 1 scoop lang ako, guys. Like that, guys. Look at that, guys.
It tastes the same.
Yeah.
It's the same flavor.
Okay. Put it back in the fridge.
Anyway, with my dad and this and this.
And then, let's put the biscuit, guys, here. Oh, I have a biscuit here. Biscuit. Gusto to, guys, ni Jacob yung biscuit ng biscuit, guys. Ang sarap. Lagyan natin.
I don't want.
You don't want to add?
No.
I'm gonna add. Naku. Okay. So, it's it, guys. Wow.
应该这样子放它会融化。
I know. I just like that. Harap.
它是 vanilla ice cream，然后加那个
Diyan naga
它的那个 peanut butter，然后那个饼干就是
cookies.
嗯
But for me,
it is different. Too sweet.
no, it's not too sweet. But for me, guys, mas masarap pa rin yung Häagen-Dazs. No.
Yeah.
Tay. For me, mas masarap pa rin yung Häagen-Dazs. So, try lang. Ayoko na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys.